Hi guys, welcome back to my lovely channel. I am so happy that you clicked on my video because I'm really excited to share this bag, what it looks like and how it looks on me. Also, I wanted to share some tips and tricks on how to use the bag. Also, I wanted to point out some very important things I feel like a lot of people don't talk about because all they do is rave about the bag, you know, but I wanted to really point out some stuff just in case you're on the fence of getting it, or if you are like your mind's already set to getting the bag, which is awesome. But let me tell y'all, this is a very highly coveted bag, as you can tell by the title before I even show it. Oh my god, it is extremely hard to get, and I mean extremely hard to get, you guys. So if you're able to get it, I applaud you because it's very highly coveted, and I think it's for good reasons, because the price point is on point, because it is extremely inexpensive for Louis Vuitton. Let's just throw it out there. But this one I haven't seen a price increase. I heard a price increase is coming up October 1st, so I don't know if this video is going to go up before then or after, but you know, Louis Vuitton's always raising their prices just like everybody else in the designer world. So yes, if you are actually new to my channel, welcome. I would love for you to stick around and hit that subscribe button, which is actually down below, but hit that subscribe button. It supports my channel and I really appreciate you guys. I'm a smaller channel, so I love it when you guys support me and subscribe. I really want to do another YSL card holder giveaway. For one, I feel like it's really one of my favorite items to get, and of course, like, why not? Let me know what you guys think down below, and if you guys would be interested in a YSL giveaway again. So without further ado, I see I'm already at 2 minutes. Let's get into the bag showcase / different ways to wear it and all that jazz. All right, you guys, ta-da, here she is. Listen, this was extremely extremely hard to get. I have two sales associates, SAs, CAs, whatever you want to call it, Louis Vuitton, I've been working with for years, and they love me and I love them and I appreciate them so much. But you guys, they were not able to find me this bag, and it, like I said, it's very, very hard to find. So I was on a hunt for this bag a while back, and I mean a hunt. Like every day I was like trying to find it. Of course, people are like, oh, just go on the website and put it into your wish list and keep clicking the refresh, and you'll see where it says to put in add to cart, which, let me tell you, for me did not work. And I tried it for a while, it did not work. Okay, so let me tell you what I did. Okay, this is very important, so listen up. You guys, you have to call client services, okay? And you have to find a client service advisor on the 1-800 Louis Vuitton or Vuitton number that is willing to help you. So I had a few people that were kind of helpful, but not really, okay? And I'm telling y'all, this took me like legitimate like a week straight, because I was really trying to get it. Before I was trying it took me like probably a month, right? And here and there I was trying it, refreshing it, watching videos on how people have gotten this bag. So I was like, okay, let me try it their way. And then no, like a week straight, it took me a while to get to client services and different people I talked to. But this one gentleman that I got in contact with, he was a great sales associate, okay? And again, this is on the phone, so I don't personally know him, but he was so serious about helping me find this. And I was actually able to find this from the Las Vegas, I'm not sure which boutique it was, but you guys, it was extremely hard to get, like I said. So the lady was like, oh, the lady at Louis Vuitton at the Vegas location, I actually obviously had to talk to her myself. She sent me pictures and I was like, oh yes, hello, I want it. But she was telling me that their location gets a lot more items than other locations. So they're like not a flagship store, maybe it was a flagship store that gets more items, but again, don't quote me, I'm not sure about that. But anyways, yes, so it took me to client services stocking, and it was a really nice gentleman that helped me, gentleman, I can't say that word, that helped me really locate this bag. If it wasn't for him, I'd probably still be looking, because yeah, like I said, my CAs in Scottsdale Fashion Square, Louis Vuitton, extremely helpful. I love them to death. Seriously, they always help me out and make sure I get exactly what I want. But this one, they just could not. And this is one of those items that your CA cannot look at another store and order it for you. Like this one, Pochette Matisse with the monogram is one of them. I think, what else? The mini pochettes are one of them. So this pochette accessory is one of them. And you guys, if I didn't mention, this is the Louis Vuitton Pochette accessories, accessoire, whatever you want to call it. Now let me get to the look of the bag, then I'll let you guys know what I really think about the bag. So yes, but here we have the amazing, highly sought out after bag, and here it says LV. This one has LV. This one, oh my gosh, my lights, there we go, Louis Vuitton, and mine is made in Spain. This, God, whoever created, let me just give them a raise myself, because hello, like, I swear Louis Vuitton has the best zippers on planet Earth. I don't care. Like, I have a few YSL bags, no offense to YSL, I love YSL, but girl, those zippers are not it. But anyway, why would I even say that? Yeah, okay, so here is the little date code right here, this little flat pocket. The rest of it's just open. And then oh, I just have this out, so let me show you guys. Obviously, don't fall. Dust bag, Louis Vuitton dust bag, and this is the box that it came with. I think we all know what Louis Vuitton boxes look like. Here is her card actually on here. I don't want to put her on blast just because she was like really awesome in the Vegas boutique when I talked to her. But yeah, here's her card in here, the ribbon that it came with. And if you guys are interested, this is the pochette accessories. It says NV monogram, so this is the number for it, which if you know this bag, you probably already know. So it's M40712 if you want to look on the website or tell your CA, but we already know what this is. But yeah, so for this bag, obviously it comes with a shorter strap, right? So I'm like, okay, it's cute or whatever, but I was like, you know what, let me look on their website to see if they have a longer strap. So they did have a longer strap. I was able to go to my local Scottsdale boutique and get this one. I have this out too so I can show you guys all this stuff, but this is the strap that I had to buy because I didn't want to always wear the shoulder part, right? I was like, let me do the crossbody so I can use this like an everyday bag. But this is, I have to put it in the description box, you guys. I forgot what the name of it is. This is like a very inexpensive extra strap you can buy, but it has like the LVs to it. It's pretty long. And that one I do have the bag for. I just want to show you guys all this stuff. Yeah, it came with this box. Now this strap, it does have this, it didn't have a dust bag, I don't know why, but it does have this extra thing, which I don't like, so I wouldn't use this. But yeah, that made a weird noise. But yeah, this is what this one came with. So I would do crossbody for that bag, because I don't like to just have it like so, or like holding it, you know. I like to do the crossbody. If you want to know what fits, I can just throw a bunch of stuff in here. I'm like, I have a few things. So I have my Victorine wallet, of course, that fits. I don't have a bigger wallet anymore. I ended up selling that bigger wallet because I'm just not a big wallet person. It's just sitting in my collection of stuff, and yeah, it was just pointless to have. But what else? My key holder from Louis Vuitton. Let's just throw in my Chanel card holder. I don't know why we would, but like it fits a ton. Okay, and my phone, I'm actually using my phone, so I cannot put it in here, but it fits my iPhone 11. I'm pretty sure it'll fit a bigger iPhone 11, 12, 13, whatever, Pro Max. It'll fit all that. It's pretty big. Let's see if the mini pochette fits in here. I'm just curious. That way you guys can see how big it is. Obviously, mini pochette. It fits. I have another mini pochette. Of course, it won't fit two. But yeah, I just want to show you guys how big it is. It fits two mini pochettes. If this one wasn't so full, this one it would fit in here and zip up. If you guys are interested in how big it is, but let me tell you, the real tea on this bag. And this is my personal opinion, so don't come for me. I know, like I said, this is like a cult bag, right, for Louis Vuitton, you guys. So again, like I said, I did the crossbody option, right? But y'all, like, I would get so annoyed of this zipper, right? I'm used to small bag. Most of my collection, besides like my Neverfulls that's up there, you guys can't see. Oh my gosh, my lash, ooh, that's stuck together. But I have my Neverfulls are up there, you guys can't see, it's all the way at the top. But you guys, I'm a small bag fanatic, but this right here would just irritate the heck out of me. Like getting in and out of here, having to put my phone in here, and then having to hold it like this to close it, right? I have it on crossbody, or have it on my crossbody, right? Around my body, crossbody style, and I'm like opening it, right? And then for me to close it, I have to hold this and then go like this, even if it's around my body. Like, it was just so annoying to me. So no matter how much I tried to love this bag, I thought I would love it. I watched 100 videos on it. You know, there's so many on here that just raves about how amazing it is and how highly coveted it is, and how it was so extremely hard to get. And I feel like that's like one of those things that make people want it even more. That was one of me. I'm one of those people. It's beautiful. It's like so 90s, and you know, like, I'm grew up in the 90s, so it's like my vibe of stuff. Excuse my shorts if you guys can see, but this is what it looks like on me. It's so cute. Like, it's so 90s, right? Like, you're like, hey, no, I'm just kidding. But yeah, it's really adorable. And I'm just not a fan, you guys. Like, even if I did it like this and I have to get something out, I have to hold it like this, open it like this while I'm in the checkout with my kids or whatever, and I have to close it holding it. It's just annoying. I just don't like it. I'm sorry, but it's beautiful and it is amazing. But I don't know, you guys, let me know what you guys think down below. Do you love this bag? If you're in the market for it, and if you can get your hands on it, go ahead. You know, it's like a good collector's item to your collection if you have a Louis Vuitton collection, or if you're just collecting designer bags. Like I said, if you're able to get this, get it, because it's really hard to get, and the price point is really, really awesome. It's 790 bucks. If I didn't mention it, I will leave everything down below. I'll try to link it. Of course, it's never ever available, but yeah, so I try to give you guys some tips in this video. It's beautiful. I'm just not a huge fan. Like, I was like, let me get this so I can do like every day. It's very cheap for Louis Vuitton, but I just can't get over how annoying, like, me having to open and close it. Like, it was just bugging the heck out of me. So again, you guys, if you're in the market for this, I suggest, of course, reach out to your SA if you have one that you work with that are like really, really good with you. But if not, I would say try the website. Not really. I would honestly say go the phone route. If you guys are interested, go on to the 1-800-VUITTON and call them, bug them. If somebody's very helpful, they will help you find this. So that's like my message to if you're trying to find this bag. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I really don't have nothing else to say, but if you're in the market for it, grab it while you can. But I think like the Christmas is coming up, so I feel like you can get this bag probably easier during Christmas time. But anywho, you guys, I have some other videos that's coming up. I have some requests that I'm gonna put out there, so be on the lookout for that. And that's pretty much it. Please hit that subscribe button and support me. I would really appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think about the YSL, another YSL card holder giveaway. Let me know if you guys are interested. Leave some comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. That way I know you guys want that, and I will try to hurry up and get my butt to getting this giveaway out there. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you and I appreciate y'all. So yes, bye bye. I said bye-bye. You know, I usually say bye-bye, so it's kind of cute. Bye. Wait, what the hell? Okay, I can't turn it off. Sir, turn off. Okay, bye.